Seniors, eat this every morning to restore muscle like you're 40 again. Imagine waking up one morning trying to get out of bed, but your legs are too weak. Your arms and legs tremble. You have to hold on to the wall or wait for someone to help you, just to sit up. It may sound far-fetched, but this is the painful reality that millions of seniors in the U.S. face every day. Age-related muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia, is happening silently but aggressively. In just the few minutes it takes to watch this video, dozens of older adults will be hospitalized for issues that could have been completely preventable with proper care. The scariest part? Most people have no idea their body is getting weaker every day until it's too late. But what if I told you that by simply starting your day with one simple food, you could slow down muscle loss or even rebuild your muscle mass to what it was in your 40s? Here's the surprising part. This food isn't expensive. It's not a supplement, and it's not some exotic superfood. You've probably eaten it dozens of times in your life without realizing the hidden muscle rebuilding power inside. It's been studied for years by scientists at Tufts, Harvard, and the Mayo Clinic, and the results have stunned the medical community. With just a small serving every morning, older adults in the study regained up to 15% of their muscle mass within 6 weeks without any intense exercise. Some even reported being able to stand up from the couch unassisted for the first time in years. Would you like to know what it is and why it's so effective that experts call it a youth-restoring food? If so, keep watching, because in the next section I'll reveal the name of this food, how it works in your body, and how to pair it with 2 small habits to double your muscle recovery like you're in your 40s again. The mysterious food, what is it and why is it so effective? The food we're talking about isn't medicine, it's not a pricey superfood found only in organic stores. It's whole grain oats. It may sound simple, but this is the food that top nutrition researchers at Harvard and Tufts now consider one of the most powerful muscle-restoring foods for people over 60. Why? Whole grain oats are a complete source of plant protein. They naturally contain leucine, an amino acid known to flip the switch for muscle building inside the body. And that's something older adults are often missing. Oats also contain beta-glucan, a special type of fiber that helps reduce silent inflammation in the body, which is one of the key culprits behind weakening muscles. Magnesium, iron, zinc, and B-complex vitamins, all essential for energy metabolism and for recovering your muscles even after light movement. And most importantly, a low glycemic index, which helps keep your energy steady without spiking your blood sugar. In a study published in the Journal of Nutrition for Older Adults, participants aged 65 to 80 who ate whole grain oats every morning for 8 weeks improved their lower body strength by up to 18% just by eating right and staying consistent. How it works, why this food wakes up muscles at 60 plus. Muscles don't just disappear overnight. From the age of 50 onward, your body starts to experience something called anabolic resistance. That means your muscles don't respond to protein as well as they did when you were younger. The same nutrition is much less effective for a 70-year-old than for a 30-year-old. But here's the good news. Whole grain oats can help fix that. 1. Leucine, the on switch for muscle synthesis. Oats are one of the rare grains that naturally contain leucine, an amino acid that can activate the mTOR pathway. That's the main signaling pathway that tells your body let's build muscle now. Eating leucine in the morning when your body is still fasting gives your muscles a boost to reduce loss and help them recover. 2. Fights silent inflammation. Beta-glucan in oats isn't just good for your heart, it also lowers inflammation. The kind of inflammation you don't always feel, but that slowly breaks your body down. When that inflammation goes down, your body absorbs nutrients better, recovers faster, and holds on to muscle. 3. Stabilizes blood sugar and boosts protein absorption. Blood sugar issues are common in older adults. And guess what? They directly affect your ability to build muscle. Oats have a low glycemic index, which helps your insulin stay steady. And that's key to getting amino acids into your muscles. How to use it, how to eat for maximum results. Oats may seem simple, but how you prepare them and when you eat them is what determines how effectively they build muscle. Here are 3 golden rules to turn a basic bowl of oats into your daily muscle fuel. 1. Eat at the golden time, 30 minutes after waking up. After a long night's sleep, your body enters a fasted state and starts breaking down muscle to create energy. This is the moment you must act fast to give your body protein and fiber to stop the muscle loss. A bowl of oats 30 minutes after waking will help prevent muscle loss from overnight fasting. Enhance the absorption of leucine and protein. Keep you feeling full for longer while keeping your energy steady. 2. Combine with the right ingredients to optimize protein. Oats have protein, but to reach the goal of 15 to 20 grams per meal, you need to add a few things. Here's what to add. Add in benefits. Almond or peanut butter, 1 to 2 peen. Healthy fats and more protein. Chia or flax seeds, omega-3s, fiber and better digestion. Almond milk with added calcium helps your muscles contract and keeps bones strong. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, bananas adds flavor, antioxidants, and vitamins. Suggested recipe: half cup of whole grain oats, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon of nut butter, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a sprinkle of cinnamon or chopped fruit. You can cook it or just soak it overnight for a quick morning meal. 3. Stick with it. Eat oats 5 to 6 times per week for at least 8 weeks. Just like exercise, you won't see results after 1 or 2 bowls. Muscle needs time to recover and adapt. In one U.S. study, older adults who ate oats 5 days a week for 8 straight weeks gained lean muscle mass and improved their balance, even without heavy workouts. And most importantly, don't wait until you can't stand up to start caring about your muscles. A bowl of oats each morning could be your insurance policy for strength for life. Part 4. How seniors transform their lives with daily oats. To truly understand the amazing changes that oats can bring, let's listen to just a few stories from seniors who completely changed their lives by simply adding oats to their daily routine. John's story, age 72. John is retired. He lived a fairly sedentary life. He wasn't sick, but slowly his body lost strength and flexibility. Long walks became tiring. Even standing up from a chair was difficult. After learning about the power of oats for seniors, he decided to give it a try. Every morning he had a bowl of whole grain oats with almond milk and a few berries. After just 2 months, he felt more agile. I can get up from a chair without feeling tired. I walk longer without pain. I never imagined such a simple food could bring such a big change. John Mary's story, age 68, California. Mary suffered from serious muscle weakness and frequent night cramps. She began eating oats after discovering its benefits for muscle health. After just 6 weeks of eating oats every morning, she noticed a dramatic change. "I no longer feel exhausted like before. I can now join light workouts, things I never thought I could do again. It feels like my 40s are back," said Mary. Michael's story, age 75, Texas. Michael loved sports, but with age his muscles weakened and he couldn't enjoy the activities he once loved. Then he heard about oats' ability to support muscle recovery, so he gave it a try. After 2 months of eating oats consistently, he felt stronger and even started playing light tennis once a week. "Oats help me keep my energy and my muscle. I feel healthier and confident to return to the sports I love," Michael shared. These stories aren't rare. With consistency and the right approach, you can absolutely rebuild your muscle and your health, even as you age. Just one simple yet powerful habit every morning. So oats are not just breakfast. They are your secret to staying flexible, strong, and enjoying life in your golden years. In summary, oats are not just tasty. They are a powerful ally in protecting and rebuilding muscle as your body naturally ages. Just one bowl each morning can restart your system, support your muscles, and help you live a more energetic, more active life. No one can turn back time, but with simple foods and smart nutrition, you can feel stronger every day. Start your day with oats and rediscover your strength like you're again.